Peace, love, and light. Mambo Justice 901 back with another intuitive message. I have no clue what time it is because time changed. Time going forward. Do time go forward? Yeah, time go forward. So it's like, either way it go, I get up between 2 and 3. So I'm assuming it's about 3. 3 something. It's 3 different times. I got 3 different times. Um, I done seen 3 different times. It's 3:52 a.m. Then it's 3:15 on my phone. And then when I checked the weather channel, it was 2:05. So I don't fucking know. But what I do want to tell you is God is not the author of illusions, nor fear. See, somebody was living in a fantasy world. And they feared that you might find out the truth. And so they created their own demise. Let me tell you. Because this shit did not go like they had planned on this shit going. Now, I don't know what in the motherfucking... I don't know. It's giving like this motherfucker just nasty. This motherfucker just nasty. And being that when these two motherfuckers showed up, when this karmic couple showed up, you didn't give them the gratification that they needed to feel like they was the boss. To feel like they was in charge. And so, it's war, but they exposed themselves. And so we're going to see how far this rabbit hole go. Yeah, because see, that motherfucking kitchen witch and that motherfucking warlock, they had it all wrong. Why I just heard power off? Like I guess they don't have no power at this point. Because why I just heard power off? Then I see unknown. And the Bluetooth ain't coming back on. I don't know. But anyway, the marriage is over. The marriage is over. And it's given both of them was fucking your person secretly. This karmic couple, both of them was fucking your person secretly. Yeah. They wanted to know what was so special about you. Yeah, so they could grab your person or, I don't know, get you out the way. I don't know. But let me tell you something. Thank you. When I'm gone, close caption this. Scotty don't want to give a stop back. His loyalty is to Black Magic. And that was another thing too. This motherfucker kept trying you spiritually. The Holy Spirit was like, hell no, not mine. Shut this shit down. So it was divine intervention any motherfucking way. Yeah, it was divine intervention. It was divine time. Yeah, hit and run. Yeah. I'm also channeling something about a wildfire or a house fire. Yeah. Hotel, motel manager. He was his first. All right. So this motherfucking landlord was getting his rocks off. with your person. Mm-hmm. And they thought they was gonna rob you spiritually. It was supposed to be a spiritual heist. Yeah, somebody named David. Something about fake snow. Let's see. They plotting with your next move. They plotting with your next move. I'll be moving on. Yeah. You was born ready for war. Yeah. Somebody was murdered in his own bed with a pillow on his face. Hit and run. Your confidence is their worst fear. Fool's gold. Something about some type of jewelry that had spell work on it. You rejected this offer, or you destroyed the jewelry. I'm also hearing something like a cord cutting ritual. They weren't expecting you to cut the cord. Mm-hmm. Hashtag I'm in the public eye. Yeah, you knew that you was being surveillance. You knew this shit. Yeah. Hope y'all niggas ain't scared to die. This masculine fucked it up for himself. Yeah. Warning, Social Security scam you need to know about. Yeah, they was going through your shit, plotting and scheming. Baby, they just thought they had this in the bag. How you going to jail? You hoes is going to jail. Then you over there, yeah, I don't know, this a borderline. Ain't no borderline. This a fucking crackhead. A kleptomaniac. This motherfucker steal the lashes off your face while you blinking. Yeah. This devil is working overtime to try and outsmart you. You can't be outsmarted. Warning, Social Security fraud scam you should know about. Your spirit baby adores you. Yeah. Somebody was mad. You was really focused on building your empire. You was focused on your family. Yeah. 999. The divine said you had to release this because it was devil energy. 666. Ooh. Dirty Dick Damon. I'm also getting DDD. Dirty Dick Damon. Hell yeah. 666. Mark of the beast. This motherfucker was the devil in disguise. A Haitian man. A foreign man. Stay grounded. Deportation on the way. This motherfucker is a illegal immigrant any motherfucking way. Yeah, fools go. April Fool. Missing person found. Somebody was living under another identity anyway. And they thought they was going to come into some type of unexpected income. Yeah. By removing you. By removing you. I don't know. Either way it goes. The Holy Spirit said, set free, release, 6:30. Yeah, they was doing devil shit. I also see 360. It was a 360 deal. Yeah, it was some type of spiritual contract, a binding contract. Sorry to say I was wrong about you. Yeah. I can't be around here walking around with no pump. No. I need a motherfucking warrior. Paparazzi here. Yeah. And this obsession with this karmic couple, since you fucking this karmic couple, you know what I'm saying? They don't want you to have nobody but them. They all gone. You lost all your friends. Yeah. They wanted an open relationship. They broke and wanted you to save. You can have them because that broke bitch ain't mine. Yeah, you can have. No, it was never a relationship. It was a trauma bond. It was a trauma bond. Yeah, it wasn't no relationship. Never thought of settling down until I met you. Oh, they staged the show. So let the sideshow begin. Hurry, hurry. It was supposed to be revenge. Caesar's revenge. Mm. Jesus showed me hell. Ooh, ooh. You might have recognized demonic symptoms. I just seen I played you for a sissy. Mm-hmm. 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 Sorry, you got played by a sissy. Mm-hmm. 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 I get so hard watching you. You know, they had them cameras in that motherfucking house. Illegal surveillance. Yeah, in your personal space. It's just when in the house, it was in your personal space. Yeah. Whole time somebody had a hidden agenda. They was pocket watching. Yeah. Mm-hmm. A toxic girlfriend. I love a woman that can take control. Mm-hmm. Investigation into 2 deaths. Mm-hmm. Somebody named Chuck. You got gay men confused about you? 2 co-workers that are roommates. But bitch, you lied. Was fucking the whole entire time. They was fucking the whole entire time. Two, two co-workers that are roommates. But bitch, you lied. You got gay men confused about you. This motherfucker lying on you, using you as the scapegoat, making you seem like you got all the motherfucking problems. Whole time, I ain't got no money problems, but you do. I ain't got no money problems, but you do. Mm-hmm. The contract is over. The marriage is over. Mm-hmm. All you had to do was say that I'm sorry. And I apologize. You got a false prophet. What you have is a fake ass spiritualist that thought they can fuck with you spiritually and got beat. If it's us versus them, who you think gonna win? Yeah, we can't stop now. Nah, it's too much money out here. It's too much money out here. Nah. Mm-hmm. Somebody already knew. This is why they tried to keep you isolated and breadcrumb you. You know what I'm saying? They already knew. Like, when you walk away, their whole life gonna come crumbling down. Not only that, you know, because they tried to attach an earthly cord. They tried to attach themselves to your sacral chakra and your solar plexus and your root chakra and your crown chakra, sending you third eye chakra attacks. You know, they wanted you heartbroken. Yeah. A lot of their contracts that they, they held together with magic. Mostly, sex magic, because this is a dick witch. This a dick witch here. A dick witch, a kitchen witch, and a nasty ass warlock. Yeah. That man miss you so much. That man miss you so much. The marriage is over. And on the flip side, somebody been wanting to see you. Like it was like love at first sight. Yeah, somebody wanted to see you. They tried to act like they ain't miss your motherfucking days. They was excited in a motherfucker when they saw you. Yeah, because I just seen I get so hard watching you. Yeah. You got gay me confused about you. Yeah. Never thought of settling it down. Wrong. I was wrong about you, brother. You really was. You just needed the evidence, and the confession came right to you. You see how God works? Because you couldn't quite put your motherfucking finger on it. You couldn't just... The divine said, hold up, we're going to send it right to the door. To the front door. We're going to send you the information that you need to your front motherfucking door. Breaker 1967. Do you copy? Mm-hmm. Yeah, stolen money from the job. They on the way to jail. I played you for a sissy. The police coming to gaslight you. This karmic couple was coming to gaslight you because they was cock blocking. Yeah, it's okay. It's a witch following you. Yeah. They wanted to know who was you. They wanted to know who you was. Memphis. I'm just Memphis, man. I'm just Memphis, man. That's Memphis where we run shit, man. I'm just Memphis. Now, missing in action. Yeah. Now you can call me missing. A night of life. See, what you didn't know was, I'm talking about this motherfucker, like, was cloaking himself in your energy. The sissy warlock was cloaking himself in your motherfucking energy. Yes, really trying to destiny swap with you. Yes. Everybody can't walk in these motherfucking shoes. And you told the motherfucker to stay out your motherfucking shoes. Don't put your feet in my shoes. Because you might end up walking that walk. It ain't easy. It ain't easy. This journey is not for the weak. No. The motherfucker want to put themselves in your shoes, in your position, not knowing that you're going through spiritual warfare. You fighting all kind of motherfucking demons, goblins, energy vampires, leeches, energy leeches. Okay. Lace the motherfuckers up. Get ready. Get ready, baby. They were fronting like they had the manpower. This kitchen witch was showing other motherfuckers in this coven how to attack you. That shit didn't get backfired. Yeah. Dirty bitch dropped something in your cup. That's why things were a blur. I seen something like a fake Xanax, some eye drops, and some type of motherfucking that honey pack. Like them little male enhancement honey packs or some shit like that. Yeah. Anyway, they're part of a global human trafficking ring. And they fucked up when they tried to stick their hand in your cookie jar And not only did they try to stick their hand in your cookie jar, but they also thought they could take some. You know, they thought they can take the dick. They thought they could take the dick. Lights, camera, action. Take the dick. Mm-hmm. You can have that broke bitch because he ain't mine. You taking the proper steps towards your healing. They playing some type of attack. I'm seeing animal attack, but they playing some type of attack. Let your gifts be seen. Mm-hmm. Somebody was forced to wear a wire. This person wants you to think you're crazy because your gifts expose the truth. Yeah, I'm just losing my motherfucking mind around here. Just losing. Mm-hmm. Yeah, because somebody gonna have to show me how to give a fuck again. Somebody gonna have to show me how to give a fuck again. They thought they was gonna do this motherfucking moon magic with this new moon. Mm. Whatever deity they was fucking with, it rejected. There's a lot of rejection going on. Yeah. BMF. And I'm also getting black magic family. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Somebody tried to poison you. Mm-hmm. Using dark magic to attack you the whole time. Mm-hmm. Somebody wanted you violently sick. Like vomiting, shitting on yourself. I'm getting diarrhea. You know what I'm saying? Like, they wanted you, like, fucked up. Yes. Yeah, they did. This karmic fighting for a spot in your person's life. Midtown. Midtown, downtown. We're gonna call him a dick fairy. A bussy fairy. He's a bussy fairy. Not a pussy fairy, but a bussy fairy. All or nothing. They took a gamble. And they lost. Your sex is like a drug. Yeah. Really, somebody had sex for drugs. Yeah. Forbidden knowledge. You weren't supposed to know that. You weren't supposed to know that this man goes out and prostitute. Yeah, this motherfucker don't work. 3-6 Mafia. Yeah, the first song come to my head is the blow, the pills, the yak, the herb. I got the weed for the low, the pills for the low, the blow for the low. Young nigga, you ain't know. Oh my God. Things took a dark turn. They over there having a satanic panic attack. Really, they being spiritually attacked because they was spiritually attacking you. The freaks come out at night. Oh, he was possessed. Zombie turned on him. He had to be put down. See, demonic. I seen something like demonic symptoms. Somebody noticed demonic symptoms. Like you seen this person train. Like you seen this person shapeshift. Like you recognize that they was a demon off the muscle. Like you been knew they was a demon. demonically possessed. And they was trying to break you, and you broke their ass. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. This toxic boyfriend, I can't make this up. And them niggas gonna get the fight. It's gonna be an attack. They gonna get the fight. Yeah, because they feel like these motherfuckers in this coven is overstepping their boundaries. But the coven had realized that this motherfucking masculine fell in love. And that's just what you don't do. How dare you fall in love? You supposed to be being the police. You supposed to be being the agent. You supposed to be being the handler. You right here getting handled? Mm-mm. Sorry, I'm not as innocent as you think. Ooh, who said that? They reporting fake news. They was lying on you any motherfucking way. There was a whole bunch of lying going on. Like, some shit just be unnecessary. Like, you just gotta let this shit just... You just got to just let this shit take its course. You know what I'm saying? Like, nature take its course. You just gotta let this shit just take its course. You know what I'm saying? What's done in the dark will always come to the light. You can expect a positive change. Yeah. You ain't lose. You ain't lose nothing. You know what I'm saying? That was boot camp. That was boot camp for some of them, you know. God hid you in plain sight. You are the golden child. And being that you did not give them the gratification that they needed to feel like they was a motherfucking boss. To make them feel like they was in charge. It's finna be some fuck shit. Yeah. Somebody can expect a subpoena. Mm-hmm. This bitch really tried to get out of pocket with you. Who gonna check me, boo? Who gonna check me? It's the whole conversation. You telling me about what you told another motherfucker. That ain't got shit to do with me. That was the thing. Ain't none of that shit got nothing to do with you. And because a motherfucker desperately want to be in your energy. A motherfucker desperately want to know what you got going on. A motherfucker desperately want to know who are you. You know, they had to come up with some type of diversion. You just like, you know what? Cool. Say less. Cause see, as long as this person was gonna allow you to trauma bond with them, they was gonna do it. They was gonna do it. As long as you was gonna allow them to trauma bond with you, they was gonna do it. And that was because they wanted to, you know, steal from you anyway. Yeah, you got bogus LLC. Yeah, they bogus, lost and confused. Lost, lonely, and confused. Yeah. True testimony. Yeah, but somebody also got some type of bogus ass. Alright, we seen Social Security scam. This a gold digger. It's giving gold digger for true testimony. Yeah. It's a fucking cum bucket. This is a fucking cum bucket. A klepto cum bucket. This motherfucker fuck the shit at you or walk around your house and steal your shit. Yeah. You make it hard to forget about you. FBI undercover agent in a crisis. Yeah. They burned me. They really gave for pay. And they ghosted you because they thought they gave you a STD. These clout chasers. They don't want you to know the truth. They facing time for molesting a child. There's only one rule, and there's somebody for everybody. And see, they wanted to make you a part of a poly relationship. They wanted an open relationship. Cause I'm just too real to get down like that. What? Nah. This motherfucking juice box ain't for everybody. Nope. Somebody got some human remains in the home or around the home. This will shock you. This Haitian man, toxic boyfriend, fuck him, that's a fallen angel. Reject this offer. Skinwalkers raging war. Yeah, because this person actually wanted to walk in your skin. Yeah. They wanted to walk in your skin. They did some type of blood magic too. Yep. Somebody was fucking off in South Memphis. Downtown, Midtown, South Memphis. A celebrity warlock. What about this celebrity warlock? What they planning? They planning some type of attack. Somebody want to fight. I advise you keep your motherfucking hands to yourself. This shit ain't gonna go. They cutting off fingers, toes, head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Just keep your motherfucking hands to yourself. For real. Ooh, a toxic boyfriend. This will shock you. Reject this offer. Girl, is somebody coming through with a fake ass proposal? Never thought of settling down till I met you. Reject this offer. Social Security scam. Why the United States government murdered Fred Hampton? I'm also getting like you got United States government officials plotting your demise. They trying to set you up. Paul Young constantly keep popping up. You know what I'm saying? You know, he was a part of that Memphis Taboo shit. You know what I'm saying? And so, you know, they love them boys down there at the Hospitality Hub and the Cavalry and the Mission and shit. They love the Mission boys. You know what I'm saying? This destiny swap didn't go like you were supposed to go. You got a lot of motherfuckers moving and it's coming. As you can see, they dying, falling sick, and losing a lot of motherfucking money. And I'm about to ran out of patience, like, for this shit, like, because the tactics that they using is getting tiring. It's getting tiring, and not only that, is it getting tiring, it's getting boring. I'm one of those type of people that love a challenge. You know what I'm saying? So I think I'll take my talents elsewhere. I really think it's time we book this taco stand. You know? And they want to know what's your next move. Thing is, that has absolutely nothing to do with them. 911 was your emergency. She killed her boyfriend. This toxic warlock that wanted to, cloak his energy with your energy. So he's showing up as a feminine because he's a gay masculine and feminine energy. Anyway, they killed their boyfriend. Now, I also see you do have a solid offer coming in. But it's giving plea deal. It's giving plea deal. But anyway, dating a drug dealer got her into federal prison. They fumbled you, now they switching up. You outsmarted. You outsmarted this devil. Your ancestors are proud of you. Like, they paranoid. In jail. They paranoid in jail. A cheating husband. They ain't homeless. They work for the occult. They ain't homeless. Like, they had somebody move into this motherfucking... They was having people move into this motherfucking room and house. Or they was having people, like... They was staging people to be, like, where you was at to keep you under, like, surveillance. You know what I'm saying? Like, they got people following you around, gaslighting you and shit like that. But anyway, everybody got a role to play, but they can't seem to keep stick to the script when it comes to you. Because you got a pure heart. And then you got some folks, you know what I'm saying? That'll do anything for money. They don't give a fuck about what type of person you are. You know what I'm saying? What's your family status? You know, if you got a family or you a mother or father, they don't give a fuck. They wouldn't take you out for that mighty green dollar. Anyway. A sister and a brother had a child together. That's the missing chapter. Somebody using their kids as spy kids. Or this could be a church coven. Either way it go, they ain't real church folks. They spying. And all of them childish as fuck. Yeah. Stuck in the same cycle 20 years. Yeah. Oh my. Big meats. Like, it's giving, like, I heard 50 Cent bought. I don't know how true this is. But y'all know 50 don't play. You know what I'm saying? 50 bought the halfway house that Big Meech is housed in. Did that Houdini trick work? Like, I'm hearing something like, when all this shit is over with, said and done, you gonna be able to buy. You gonna be able to buy the block. Like, you gonna be able to buy anybody that crossed you or played with you in any shape, form, or fashion. Like, since they want to be the boss, God finna put you in a situation where you finna be able to level up. CEO, status. You know what I'm saying? Like, the president status. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's giving very important person. You're gonna be a very important person. You're gonna be able to, like, a bitch wanna play like, how I buy your house. I buy that motherfucker up from up under you. Like, shit like that. Like, anyway, they paid a practitioner. Somebody also knows somebody in the judicial system. They trying to get some shit. They doctoring up some paperwork. Is what they doing. They doctoring up some paperwork. Oh yes. False imprisonment. Ah yeah, they trying to get some shit together. Now it's finna be the police. Now the police finna, okay. Go big girl, what you gonna do? Call 911. 911. Impractical jokers. Yeah, nah, you got the STD from the church community. Ooh. Them motherfuckers went on a date. Came back with you a little dog. What they call a little doggy bag. Who finna eat that? Do he want to be your man or just misuse you? Well, he paid a practitioner. Did that Houdini trick work? That was they final warning. That's a gangster, but y'all already knew that. A spiritual gangster. Meditation brings answers. Sex tape, sex trafficking, they caught. What they really want to tell you is his friend wants you to. Gay politicians. Burton. This hoe was a pill popper CEO turnkey. Not CEO. CO. You know, a drug addict. You got a lot of fucking drug. They're hiring too many fucking drug addicts to cause and plot your demise. They even paying junkie practitioners. I hope if you really give a fuck about your movement and your coven or your cult or whatever the fuck this shit is, you'll get them motherfuckers rehabilitated so they can do their job properly. Yeah, somebody need to go to rehab. They were better off going to motherfucking rehab than fucking with you. Somebody also lied. That's the missing chapter. They lied and said you was in rehab to steal your money.